Hello everyone, my name is Prosper, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a subdomain. Exactly. So if you have a domain name and you want to create a subdomain for what so reason, hello everyone, my name is Prosper, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create a subdomain. So if you already have an existing domain, for example like one I'm having here, which I'm going to be using for this tutorial, lipo360surgery.com, and I want to have a subdomain maybe like africa.lipo360surgery.com, uk.lipo360surgery.com, us.lipo360surgery.com. That is, so each domain, maybe for any reason whatsoever, that's what we're going to be looking at in this video. So I'm going to be using Hostinger to illustrate this this example, and it's the same process across all registrars, exactly, irrespective of whatever hosting platform you are using. The interface might be different, but if you can get the step, you'll be fine. So once you log in, make sure you're on that particular domain. Using this Hostinger as an example, now I can see I'm currently on the domain. So what you just do, you scroll down on the left side of your screen, you see domains. Even if you're not using Hostinger, also we just look for domain. Once you log into your hosting account, you come over to domains, you see subdomains. So once you click on it, you can see create a subdomain. Now this is what you're going to be having here. So for example, I want to have maybe usa.lipo360surgery.com. So I enter the word I want to have before the domain itself. So if you want to have a custom folder, a different folder for the particular for the subdomain, you can check this option, then you click on create. So you can see subdomain created successfully. So you can see, so this is one here, africa.lipo360surgery.com, usa.lipo360surgery.com. So what you can actually use this for is probably if you want to create a separate website to target Africa, if you want to create a separate website to target US. So exactly, so yours might be different, it might be for news, and you want to use it to create different categories to target different audience, or for also for any reason whatsoever. So now the next thing I want to do is probably you want to install WordPress on it. So just to do that, let's go back to the dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, you come to WordPress overview. So from your WordPress overview, so you can see this box here. So you just click on it and then you select the particular domain. Maybe I want to use this now. I click on it, and from here I can easily install WordPress. So is that clear? So from here you can then take it up to either create a website with it. So if you want to also know how to create a website, I've done a separate video that will show you step by step how to create a website using WordPress. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please click on that subscribe if you are yet to do that. And if you have any questions or any comments, do leave them in the comment section below. And that is it, guys. I'll see you on in another video.